Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you PayMe app review. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, the PayMe Claim Your Money app has quickly generated a massive buzz as an all-in hidden money finder designed to locate and automatically file claims for funds you might be legally owned. Now, according to PayMe's official platform information through Google Play Store and even like the App Store here, if you're going to look for it, now it actively tracks over 5,000 active class action lawsuits and mass torts, scanning your history to match you with payouts from companies that may have overcharged you or violated consumer rights. Now, beyond lawsuits, the platform includes built-in search tools to check government databases across all 50 states for unclaimed property. Now, a bill negotiation feature powered by Bill Shark to lower your active utilities, now a Gmail scanning tool to flag hidden subscription hikes, and a mechanism to recover leftover balance or unforgotten gift cards. Now, while the app is free to download, fully unlocking its suite of automated filing tools requires upgrading a premium membership, which starts at like $39.99 a year. Now, looking at the positive feedback here. Now, users from platforms like Google Play Store, even the App Store here, well, people absolutely love the concept and the sheer convenience. Now, reviewers give it a high mark for bringing high-tech automation to a process that's used to require hours of manual legal digging. Now, users consistently praise the unclaimed property scanner, noting that finding a random check from an old um apartment utility deposit or forgotten tax return feels like a total win. Now, the user interface is heavily commended for being exceptionally clean, making it incredibly simple to track all of your pending claims and estimated payouts right from a single centralized dashboard here. Now, on the flip side, the app faces heavy criticism and low star ratings regarding its monetization and model and ad placement. So, a major complaint on these platforms center around the free version, with users reporting that it's completely bombarded with aggressive, unskippable video ads that frequently freeze or glitch. Now, making it incredibly tedious to submit initial claim without actually paying. Now, furthermore, dozens of reviews on, let's just say, the Apple App Store here expresses deep frustration regarding premium expectations. Many users feel that the social media ads for PayMe are highly uh, not or doesn't actually stands what they actually provide here. So they hit a hard wall where they must buy the yearly membership to even process their claims, only to find out that official class actions payouts naturally take several months to actually settle and hit a bank account. So ultimately here, so if you wish to if you view the PayMe as a convenient automated aggregator for tracking down obscure state property and illegal settlements here, the consensus is that the tool is incredibly handy, provided you are willing to look past the aggressive ads or pay the upfront premium membership to skip the line. But in this case, that's about it. So for this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.